Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Xavier Rudd, first time here on this channel, pretty sure about that. Part of Life is the title of this song, kind of life lessons from the land of Down Under. Okay, bad accent there, but still a cool song, and it follows this kind of four magic chords without any capo, G, D, E minor, C. That four combo that creates most of music nowadays. So yeah, let's go and check this out and different ways of handling this. So we're gonna start with the G first. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Next chord is that D. It goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have E minor next, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we have kind of two different ways of handling this, with some picking and with some strumming, okay? So it follows the same pattern basically. So if you grab the first chord G, one way with the picking style goes like this for one round, okay? So that means you're gonna alternate the bass strings for whatever chord we're playing. In this case, the third fret E string for G. And you're gonna alternate that with the higher strings. And in that way, we're gonna play kind of at least two strings. That is the best scenario. Maybe the best scenario is actually to play three strings down there. So you're gonna play open, sorry, not open, but third fret E string for the bass, two times, and then you're gonna play on the third time this. Okay, so I picked that from the chord. It's the G, the B, and the high E string simultaneously like that, and then back to bass, third fret E string. So that is one round. Bass, bass, top, bass. So for one round, and you're gonna play two rounds of every chord here. So G, like that. Then we're gonna follow the same principles for the next chords, and that will be D next. So you have now the bass note on the open D, and the same there, you answer with the last three strings. So then for E minor, you have the bass note on the open E string in the bass. And for these next two chords, you're gonna move up one string. So now you have the answering notes, the high notes on the B, G, and D string. So, and the same goes for C. You have the bass note on the third fret A string, and the answering notes on the B, G, and D. And that's one round. You're just gonna loop that till the very end. So and so on. All right. If you want to play just downs and ups, then we have an option for that as well. So go back to the first chord G. You're gonna play down, up, down, up. Very simple. And on the second down, you go down. It's on the higher strings there and play that. So bass, bass, top, bass. Follows the same pattern but with a down, up motion instead. So. And in this chord progression, it goes like this. And that's it, my friends. Part of life, life lessons, worth listening to, but also play. So good luck with that, guys. And until next time, play tuned.